Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Meta Pixel to your Squarespace website. This is a powerful tool that helps you track visitor activity, measure ad performance, and create targeted campaigns based on user behavior on your site. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the website you want to modify, as this will ensure you can make all the necessary changes without any permission issues. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites. Here, simply click on the website where you want to add the Facebook Meta Pixel. This will take you directly into that site's editing interface where you'll have full control over its settings and configurations. Once you're inside your website's workspace, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll find various options for customizing your site. Find and click on the gear icon, which represents the settings section. Clicking this will open up a comprehensive settings menu where you can adjust everything from basic site information to advanced marketing tools. Now, within the settings menu, look again at the left side panel. Find and click on marketing. This section is specifically designed for integrating various marketing and analytics tools. Once you're in the marketing section, click on Meta Pixel and Ads. This is where Squarespace allows you to connect your Facebook Meta Pixel directly to your website. At this point, you'll need your Pixel ID from Facebook. To get this, let's switch over to Facebook Meta. Open a new tab and head to your Facebook Business Manager or Meta Business Suite. Once you're there, click on Settings. This will bring up all the configuration options for your business account and connected pages. In the Settings area, click on your page. This action will display important information about your Facebook page, including your page ID. The page ID is what you'll use to connect your Squarespace site to Facebook's tracking system. Go ahead and copy this ID. Now, switch back to your Squarespace tab where you left off in the Meta Pixel and Ads section. Paste the page ID you just copied into the field provided. Make sure the ID is pasted correctly without any extra spaces or characters, as this could prevent the connection from working properly. Finally, click Save. Squarespace will now process this information and establish the connection between your website and Facebook Meta Pixel. This means Facebook will start tracking visitor activity on your site, allowing you to gather valuable data for your marketing efforts. And that's it. You've successfully added Facebook Meta Pixel to your Squarespace website, and you're now ready to track conversions and optimize your ad campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.